Welcome. I'm so glad you are taking your tech knowledge and skills one step further. Our in-house tech support courses are designed for our clients and anyone interested in learning just a bit more about the technology they use every day. This packet is to prepare you for your course. If you haven't signed up already, it's best to begin there. Visit musetechconsulting.com for more information. Let's get started, shall we? After we receive your request for the course, we will send your sign-up quote. Complete that and return it. Once you purchase your class, you will receive an email with your course outline, workbook, link, and login password. This is exciting. You are taking charge of your learning journey. Welcome aboard.